That is not your mail ID. New one. Where is the new one? New one. Pavitra, new one. In WhatsApp, you can copy now from WhatsApp.
Sir, this only no, sir.
No, no, no. I gave you, I think, in personal. Oh, actually, I gave you in chat box only. You have login in somewhere. Click on sign in. Click on sign in. Not from there. Go to Azure portal. Search in Google Azure portal. Sign in. Deepak. Mhm. Wait, wait. I'll try to search it. You have not saved anywhere that ID.
Sir, I saved in Notepad, but I'm not able to access it.
Close it. Close it. There is tab now. Yeah, tab is there now. You just go through that tab. Yeah, here you search it. Mhm. Means from that day, you have not done practice now.
Sir, I have practiced on that Kubernetes and the Docker, sir.
Yeah, right. Ravi Kumar at the rate. Tyagi, 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 Shivam, 123, ST, or sorry, maybe it is at the rate. Okay, ST, gmail.com. Sorry, dot on Microsoft.com. On Microsoft. There is no dot between that. Yeah. Yeah. Put next. And you have changed your password, I think. No? You log in anytime. Wait. You log in when I gave you that ID. That time you log in into that account or not?
Yes, sir.
You write that password DevOps at the rate 123. This is the old one password. Everything in small. DevOps at the rate 123. You have changed it. That is 4, not a GD 4. Okay, leave it. When I'll reset password for you, then again I'll give you. You open your VS Code. Okay. Again you create new folder. We will go for the Docker one. Okay. Okay, you try to create a network, new network. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and pull pull your image, means you have the SQL image now. You
Mm.
try to create your host one. Okay, for the SQL host one, do it. Okay, I'll come. And create, you have to create 3 container, and it should be in the same network, and 3 HTML file, and your 3 HTML file should run on that container. Okay, at some port
Sir,
forwarding.
HTML file.
Yeah, yeah, you create
Oh,
three file here, app1, app2, app3. Okay, and
okay, okay, sir.
it
Yes.
should be in the same network. Okay, I want
Mm.
that in the same network. Let your screen little bigger. Okay, it's I think it's small.
Okay.
Yeah. One, yeah, it's okay. Yeah, Pavitra, have you done it? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah,
Yes, sir. Have done it.
yeah. Show me your browser.
Okay.
Which version it is running?
Sir, 200.
Yeah, or you open your Docker desktop. You open your Docker desktop. From it will get directly. We can switch over. Container. Click on container, left hand side. Yeah,
These three, sir.
it is not running. Why it is showing exited? Again, try to run from here. Okay, you taken SQL. You taken SQL
My
image. That's why
image.
it is not running. You have to take na Nginx one na. That's then only it will run. Okay, okay, leave it. You know the process na. Here you have
Yes, sir.
you don't have to take that SQL one. SQL one is used for to store the data and to manage the data one. Okay, and to run any application, you have to use the Apache or that this Nginx one. Only for container one we will do it. Okay, you delete that first container, or you do one thing again. You create one container. First you do Docker images. Let me see whether your Nginx is there or not.
There, sir.
Yeah, you don't have any name now with the name of Pavitra. Is there any container is
Uh,
there with?
no, sir. No, no.
Okay, then again do the pod forwarding one. Okay, -p. Go to Docker
Sir, I
desktop.
have to pay.
Go to Docker desktop. Yeah, click on that. 250 80. Uh-huh. Port one option is there no. Scroll down. Yeah, it is running here. Okay, so you have to use this one, and you have to copy and paste, and you know then copy and paste command.
Okay, sir. That okay. I know for source and destination.
Yeah, you do it for this container one. You are not doing practice, I think, Pavitra. You can copy it from there now. One option is there in Docker. VS Code. Go to VS Code.
Copy path. Okay, sir.
In VS Code only there is a option of copying path. Right click path, copy path. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, Pavitra, are you there?
Hello, sir. My voice is audible.
Yeah, now it's audible.
Hello.
Yeah, it's audible.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Container ID you have to give. Go to Docker desktop if you are not able to see here. Where is your container ID? Yeah, copy it. Copy option is there, huh? Yeah, copy. Yeah. Okay, do one thing. Erase it. You do Docker PS first. Colon. Yeah. Hmm. Put enter. Yeah. Now you refresh your Chrome. Go to Docker desktop. Go to Docker desktop. Docker desktop. Okay, it came now.
Yes, sir.
You have to do practice, Pavitra. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh, Create one more. You know, or do one thing. Okay. I'll push one command. Docker add space dot
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I got a mail from one company.
Okay.
Means that they provided one assignment to me, sir.
Okay.
If I have to complete and I have to submit them.
Okay.
After that verification, they will provided next technical interview and HR interview.
Yeah, you do the assignment.
Yes, sir. Means I have one doubt in that.
Yeah, what doubt?
Wait, sir. I'll share.
Yeah,
I
okay.
have to say. Sir, this is the assignment they'll give.
We have one of the shortlist candidate and we are okay, initial qualification, technical round and then HR interview. Yeah, go to docs one, problem statement, containerization
Sir, here.
and deployment of Visco application on Kubernetes project repository. Yeah.
Sir, here I have done that. Have to containerize that and we have taken this GitHub code. We have to connect that locally and convert into an image, and also deploy in the Kubernetes. And also we have to write an CI/CD pipeline for that, sir.
Yeah, this is you can.
And yes, sir, I done that much. Means say up to CI/CD pipeline I done, but in this TLC implementation I don't know.
Okay, TLS communication till pipeline you have done, na?
Sir, till pipeline I have done.
Okay. You have taken the GitHub one, GitHub repository from that one,
Yes, sir.
the first one, na? Visco, na?
Sir, can I show my GitHub? I-
Yeah,
There I have run my.
yeah. So me.
Sir. This is the pipeline arrow.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, here are Docker file.
Hmm. Good.
Sir, this is the deployment file,
Okay. To
and
uh,
this is for
service one, na?
this is service file, sir.
Hmm. Good.
Sir, here they show means they continue the problem for. I don't know what to do for this TLS implementation.
Continuous deployment automatically deployed to the updated application to the Kubernetes environment for following successfully images built. Okay, you have done that part. TLS ensure that the Visco application supports secure TLS communication. Means it is asking about that, the secure one means securely anyone can access. Okay, means it is asking through the transport layer. Means we have the network layer 4, na? Network layer 4, and we have network layer application layer is there. So you have to do it through that transport layer, means the fourth one, TCP or UDP protocol. Means you have to do that one that we are doing na, the that one TCP or UDP or HTTP or HTTPS. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Go on top. Expected artifacts. GitHub okay, means last task is that one only, TLS na.
Hmm.
Yeah, you have to make it that Visco application supports that secure TLS one. Okay.
Yes, sir. And also there are mentioned other two problems.
Yeah, please choose any two objectives from the list below and attempts to achieve them using either Bash or Python. System health monitoring script. Okay, you can write it now. That one Python or the Bash you can write. Yeah, Bash one is easy. Okay, means
Okay.
they're asking that if CPU usage goes greater than 80%. Okay, uh, it should send you alert to the console. Okay, like that. Develop a script that monitor the health of your Linux system. It should check CPU uses, memory uses, or comma disk space, and the running process. If any of these metrics exceed predefined threshold, and that is 80%, the script should send an alert to the console or log. Yeah, you can write it. Okay, means the problem is that if any of the mentioned, okay, device goes more than 80% of the uses, it will send a message, alert
Hmm.
system. And the second one is the automated backup solution. Write a script to automate the backup of a specified directory to a remote server or a cloud storage solution. The script should provide a report on the success or failure of the backup operations. Yeah, you have to write the backup for the whatever the storage one you having na, that you storage account in your cloud, that
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
they want to develop a script so that automatic backup will do within 7 days or within 3 days, whatever the time period it is there. You have to mention, time is not mentioned, you have to do according to your own choice. It may be 7 days or it may be 15 days, like that. So you have to develop a automatic script to automate the backup one. Okay, to the specified directory, means wherever you will ask to send the backup, it will go there. Okay, like that it is asking. Log file analyzer. Create a script that analyzes web server logs for common patterns such as the number of 404 errors, the most requested page or IP address with the most request. The script should output a summarized report. Okay, it is asking about that if common patterns is there, like any error you are getting na in the same pattern, so that if anyone get that error, it should also analyze that log. Okay, you have to do that
Yes, sir.
automation for that. You have to write a script for that. And the last one is application health checker. Please write a script that can check the uptime of an application and determine if it is functioning correctly or not. The script must accurately assess the application status by checking HTTP status code. It should be able to detect if the application is up, meaning it is functioning correctly, or down, indicating it is unable or not responding. Yeah, they all are the script only. Okay, means you have to write the script according to the problem one. Means application health checker means if it is your VM is down for somewhat reason. Okay, so that it will send the message that your function means your function is not working correctly, like that. And if maybe up, it will detect it automatically, like that. You have to write. Third one, what is that? Problem statement 3, optional, but extra points will be awarded for completion. Write a zero trust cube armor policy for the Kubernetes workload you deployed in PS1. Everything you will need is available here. Apply the policy to your cluster. Capture a screenshot showcasing policy violations. Commit your policy YAML and screenshot to your forked repo. Yeah, you can do that now. It is asking.
Sir, this is,
This is
I don't know.
this is asking for the cube armor policy. Okay, to your workload, means whatever you have done in for the problem statement 1 you have done Kubernetes part.
Yes, sir.
You have deployed your application there.
Mm.
They are asking to put a zero trust cube armor policy there. Okay, and whatever the thing required for that, everything is available in that document only. http doc kubearmor.io kubearmor. Okay, and apply that policy to your cluster, and whatever the cluster you have created, you have to apply that policy to this cluster, and you have to capture the screenshot showing policy violations. Okay, means and you have to show that means you have to violate some you have to do something so that your policy get violate. Okay, and it will show you a message or whatever it is. You have to take that screenshot, and just you have to commit it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
if you're having any problem, just you send me that document to me. Okay, I'll
Okay, sir.
try to give you every answer for that. And
Sir, your email, sir.
in WhatsApp you can say, no, not an issue. You try to do it by yourself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Once if you're getting stuck somewhere, just you tell me, I'll provide you the guidance. Okay.
Sir, I'm not knowing some, means I'm knowing some little bit scripting knowledge.
Look, everyone doing scripting through the chat GPT or whatever the Gemini is there, everyone doing the same. Just you have to know the idea that this script is for what, and this script is for what. you
Okay, sir.
you just need to know the understanding power of the script one. Okay, no need to know the fully one. Okay, you share me yeah, or you can forward this mail to my mail, rk ravi chennai.
Uh, okay, sir. Wait, sir.
you can share it from here, na? Share option is there. Yeah.
Yes. RK.
Ravi. But yeah, wait. You don't share it from here. You download it first. Actually, it will send it to your that part, means it will send it to your HR also that someone share this document. Yeah, download option is there. Yeah, PDF,
Yes, sir.
PDF. Yeah, yeah. Now you can send it on WhatsApp or wherever it is. Now you come to Docker one. Yeah, create one. Yeah, you go to app one. You are now you do cd dot, means you have to go back once. Now you do go to your GitHub repository and search for my ID Ravi Chennai 7. Ravi Chennai
RK Ravi.
Chennai.
Chennai.
Yeah, Ravi Chennai 7. Yeah,
Chennai 7, sir.
yeah, put enter. On the left hand side you will get one option, users. Click on that. Yeah, click on that. Repository, click on repositories. Yeah, you take this one, 2 tire flask app. Yeah, you have to clone that. Clone one. Yeah, copy that URL and clone it in your, yeah, here, git clone. Okay, now one docker file is there. Open the docker file and let me explain whatever it is written here. You explain to me, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is for an Python code. That is why we have to take a base image from Python
Hmm.
that is written in form called Python 3.9 slash slim.
Okay, means
This is
the
a base image
base
we have
image.
taken
Yeah, okay.
for a Python. Next, we have to taken for working directory where our folder can be worked.
Okay, means this is
Means
the,
slash up.
we are setting our
This is the
working
working.
working directory, okay? If it is
Yes, sir.
if file is there, slash app is there, means it will work on that file. If it is not there, it will create a file for you, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now next.
Next year, we have to run some of the packages called apt get update.
Yeah, okay.
Next, and apt get upgrade -y. Next, apt install -y gcc default lim mysql client dev peak package config.
Yeah,
It
means
installed.
we are installing our SQL library one. Okay, in this application we will use the SQL database there, so that we are installing some prerequisite. Okay, and the fourth one.
Fourth one, remove if any files means previous files are there, and it will go for this path var dot means var lib apt lists, and which are the current files, all the files it will copy,
Uh-huh.
means copy means
Delete
path,
rm means delete. It will delete whatever
delete,
it is,
remove.
present in that directory, means list. In the list folder, all the file will get deleted. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, next.
Next, copy the requirements dot text file. Here the requirements dot this file it will be copied,
Okay.
and next point, this point.
Point means what?
Sir, means if any working current working directory
Yeah, means the app one. Our current working directory is app one. Means
is
it
app,
it will
it will
copy
be
it will
based.
copy requirement dot text
Mm.
to that directory only. Okay. Dot means
Sir, we have to write that slash bar app also we have
yeah,
to write.
yeah, we
No, sir.
can write. Okay. Now again.
Next for installed app dependencies which are necessary for that Python, run pip installed mysql client.
Okay, and we are using
Next,
means
next
whatever the requirement. Actually, the developer will tell you everything. Means in Redmi dot md is there, na? It will
yes, sir.
guide you everything there. Whatever the requirement for this application, you have to do that according to that. Now, what we are
Sir,
going?
they will provided that readme file also.
Yeah. So, according to that only, we will going to create our Docker file or image, the custom image. Okay. Here,
Okay, sir.
it is the means of custom image. Now again, line number 21.
Next, it will copy rest of the application code, means if any other files,
Which file?
means in the application there are some other files, no sir,
Yeah,
means
means
my
all the file.
message
Means
dot
all.
sql make
Yeah,
file,
all the files will get copied to where?
that copy to app,
Yeah, app
that app
means the
working directory.
current directory, working directory. Okay.
uh, Next, it this application will be exposed at the port number called 5000.
Okay, good. Now
Next
that
for
is the
command.
command only. Okay.
Mm.
Now, custom image. Build a custom image. First we have to do go to that directory cd.
Which name I will give, sir?
Any name.
Mm.
Now you open another PowerShell. You do Docker network ls. Let me check how many network you have. Yeah.
Sir, this 14 is now, just now I have created
Pavitra,
before some.
Pavitra 14 na? Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Now you have to create Docker images. You do again. SQL image is there na?
it is there, sir.
Yeah. Run a container with the help of that image. MySQL one. Okay. And give any name, whatever it is, and create a database inside your SQL one. Don't make it port forwarding. Leave it that part. MyP, you remove that MyP na, and you have to write that variable one, environmental variable one, minus e, erase that one. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, you write it. You write Pavitra SQL. Then you write minus
Image.
network you mention dash network.
Network.
Pavitra 14.
14.
Okay. That
Image name.
minus e, no, first you provide the set the your host one, minus e, and you have to write MySQL underscore host. Capital letter MySQL one. Host also it is in capital. Okay, you give equal to that Pavitra SQL. Yeah, space MySQL underscore user. You have to write it capital letter. Space one space is means it every time you have to write minus e. Okay, environmental variable for each variable you have to write minus e.
Sir, here minus e, MySQL host.
Yeah, and then you have to again write minus e, MySQL underscore user underscore you are creating container from SQL na.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to write only my root user only. Yeah, one image is there, that image is created. Let's see. Okay, it's still creating. Okay, go to second one. Second PowerShell. Yeah, you erase that one. Erase till MySQL. Erase it. erase it till MySQL. Yeah, yeah. Wait, erase it once again. Yeah. Wait. MySQL underscore root underscore password. Means you are creating your host one. Okay. Password equal to root. You give any password you can give. Give root here. Yeah, and MySQL. Put enter. Now you do docker ps. Let's see your container is running or not. MySQL is running. Pavitra SQL.
Yes.
Yeah, it is up. Na? Okay, it is up. Inspect that network. Docker inspect. Docker network inspect. Docker network inspect. Pavitra 14. Pavitra SQL is there, na? Yeah, okay. It is running here. Okay. Now you do one thing. Let's check that Docker one is created or not. Image. It is still running. Your network is slow, na? That's why it is taking time. Now you go to your SQL one, second PowerShell. Create one database. Enter into your SQL database. How can you enter into that container? Docker ps. First you do docker ps and enter into that your container one. Enter into your container. Close it. Close it.
Sorry, it won't close. Can I give restart
Yeah.
or?
Restart. Restart. You give. And go and check your Docker desktop. It is running or not. Again open your Docker desktop again. Yeah, Pavitra, are you there?
Sir.
Yeah, I think your screen get stuck. You minimize it in Docker desktop. Minimize your Docker desktop. Minimize.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yeah, Pavitra.
Now it's visible, sir.
Yeah, it's usual. Yeah, go to your Docker one.
Yes, sir.
And from in VS Code, whether your image is built or not, and that. Uh, Again, you run the command up arrow. Click on up arrow. Yeah. Uh, what name you are giving that time?
This name only, sir. EKS cluster.
Okay. Okay. Now it is. I think build is done. Now you search for
Uh,
Docker images EKS cluster.
it is this.
Yeah, it is there now. Yeah. Now you do one thing. Create one container. Docker run -d -p 5 -p 5000 colon 5000 dash network. Give your network name. First you go to your SQL, log into your SQL one. The next one, next PowerShell you have now, another PowerShell. Yeah, log in into your SQL one. Docker PS, you do Docker PS. Now go to Docker desktop. Yeah, click on that. Click on that. Click on container. Yeah, and click on that. The last one. Which one is you created? The last one. Pavitra 2 na?
Yes, sir. This one, Nginx.
Not that one. The last image, which one you created? With the help of MySQL right now.
Now,
Yeah.
this one only, sir. This 200.
Go there in PowerShell. Go on top. Here only. Here only. Go on top. Yeah, scroll up fast. Yeah, here. Wait. This you created now, Pavitra 14. Not Pavitra 14. Pavitra SQL. Pavitra SQL you have created. Restart it from Docker desktop. From Docker desktop you restart it. Pavitra SQL is there. Any container name?
No, sir. It is there.
Yeah, restart it. Yeah. Okay, now you comes to that part, VS Code. Yeah, log into that container, docker ps. Log into that. How we are logging?
MySQL.
Not MySQL, Pavitra SQL. You have changed your name. Pavitra SQL minus u root.
Root.
Yeah, space
Password.
minus p. Put enter. Okay, you have to do MySQL. MySQL minus u root minus p. Yeah, give password.
Password.
Root. You have given there while you are running your container. That time you have given a
Yes, sir.
MySQL underscore root underscore password. Means your username was root and password is root. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you are into MySQL one. Okay. Now you do show databases and you have to put okay. Now create one databases here. Create database and write any database name. Database only, not basis. Space. Write any name. My data. Okay, my data you write. Now you do again show databases. It is there, my data. Okay. Now you have created one database. Okay, here means all the data we will use this database to store our data in SQL one. Okay. Now you do one thing. You go to that file. Yeah, and you write it here. Network you have given na network dash network. Yeah,
Sir,
space.
bridge. Uh,
Yeah, this is bridge network only na.
mm, yes, sir.
Okay, now minus e, you have to write all the variables. Means variable means you click on that app.py left hand side. One option is there na app.py app.py.
AP.
Uh,
Here.
yeah, scroll down. Yeah, here all the means all the variables are written here. Okay, like MySQL host, MySQL user, MySQL password, and MySQL DB. You have to provide it in the container which is running through that image. Okay, so write it MySQL copied MySQL host equal to MySQL host t host capital T equal to, and you have to give your Pavitra SQL name. You have created one SQL host na.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my Pavitra SQL. Then you have to give again minus e space minus e. Yeah, second you have to give MySQL user. Yeah, equal to root, and then again minus e. Every time you have to write the minus e for the variable one. Okay.
Yes. Minus in.
Equal to, you have to put root minus e equal to, you have to put your name, your database name.
My data.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, username, password, host name, and
Means
data.
whatever the variable
Okay.
you had provided in app.py, you have to mention it here. Okay. To connect your that image to your
Yes, sir.
SQL one. Now you have to write your the image one, EKS cluster colon latest tag you have to provide. Yeah, put enter. Now you do docker ps. Yeah, two container is running. Okay. Now you go to docker desktop. Click on that 5000. Click on 5000. Yeah, it is there. Now you type some message here. Hi, everything you can write 2 to 3 lines. Send it. Again write something. Hello, I am fine. Write anything. Put enter. Okay, good. Okay, put enter. Good. Okay. Now we will see that whether our data is stored in our database or not. Okay. Now go to your yeah, the last one. Now we have to check whether our data is storing in my data or not. Okay. So what is the command for that?
Show database.
Uh,
For
so databases already you have done it. Now use, you have to write use my data colon semicolon. Okay, you write select star from messages. Let's see. Select star from space from messages. Then that colon. Yeah, put enter. Okay, your data is showing here,
store.
storing here. Okay, now you do one thing. You go and if you will stop your container of SQL one. Okay, now you go and check stop the container, the SQL one from Docker desktop. Okay, and stop that container. Stop that container.
This con-
No. That SQL one. SQL one. Yeah. Now again, open that your port 5001. 5000. Yeah. Okay. It will give you error. It will not opening. The right one. Right one. Okay. One DB error is there. Now you again start it. And you do again. Yeah. Open it. And your data is persisting here, okay, in SQL database. You do one thing, you stop and remove your that image. Yeah, you do not docker ps minus a or a docker ps. Yeah, you stop that your container mysql1 and remove that container. Docker
How
rm.
to remove this?
Yeah, docker rm. Okay, you remove that one. Now again you create container, copy the previous command, on top, on top in this file only. Yeah, here copy it again. Not full, not that much, only first line. Yeah, copy it. What we have done right now, you understand now, means we have stopped our container and we had delete our SQL one, okay,
Container.
and we are checking that our data is still live or not, okay, or it gone. Yeah, you do put enter. Docker 2 times you have written. Now you do docker ps. Okay, now your container is live. Okay, now you go to docker desktop and again click on that flask one, EK cluster one. Yeah, click on that. Okay, you have to create my data one database. You create my database. Actually everything has gone. Okay, go to VS code and create my database. Yeah, MySQL minus u root minus p. Root is your password. So databases. Your data is not here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you click on my data, create database, like create database. You already given my data. Okay, there in that container you have given my data as your database. Now create on the same name my data. Now you again create spelling was wrong.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
Okay, now show databases. Okay, now you again go to Docker desktop and click on that 5000 port. Refresh it. Okay, it is not live. You do one thing. Okay, you create one more image, sorry, container with the help of that image, the previous PowerShell, the first PowerShell. Yeah, copy that command. Copy that command. Yeah, paste it. There only you paste it, na? And change 5000 to 5001 port number. Yeah. You have to go by arrow only. Left.
Sir, when I put an up arrow, it will show like this.
Not up arrow, left arrow you have to put. Yeah, change it to 1. Again give the name, again that name. You EKS cluster, na? EKS cluster is there, na? Okay. Name you have not provided, na? Okay, leave it. Why you given 5001 2 times? The image you have mentioned 5000, so there is only 5000 all the time. Okay, and you can change on the left hand side only. Now put enter. Put enter now. No need of coming here. Yeah. Now do docker ps. Okay, now click on that 5001 in docker desktop. Okay, means your data is not persisting here. Okay, so that we will use our some of storage to store our data. Okay, so you go in your docker vs code. Yeah, you do here docker volume ls. Okay, so these are the volume listed here. Okay, and you can create your own volume, so that you have to go the same method, docker volume create, right? Docker volume create, and you have to write the name. Put enter. Now you can check it that your volume 1 is there. Okay, now you can also inspect it, docker inspect volume 1. Okay, so where will you where will be there your volume? You can check it, the mount point var lib docker volumes volume 1 underscore data one means where your data will persist in this location only. Okay, means if your container will goes down or it will die, your data will still persist. Okay, means your
Yes, sir.
data will not delete. So tomorrow we'll do, okay, the next part, and you try to mount try to bond your volume with your container. Okay, the SQL container.
Yes. Sir, this is for sir. I'm little bit confused about this one and this one, sir.
Actually we have this is the two tier application. Okay, this is the
Yes,
two
sir.
tier of applications where in the first one is the front end where the UI is there, and the second one is the data store part. And so that we use two image. The first image, okay, the first image we that is the custom image, we only build it with the help of the docker file.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and the second one, the SQL container, that is that container is created with the help of the MySQL image. Okay,
Mm.
and with the
There
help,
are two containers.
yeah, here two containers, and we are bonded this two container within the same network, and that network is Pavitra 14, and
Mm.
it is in bridge network, so that it can able to communicate with each other with their.
These two networks communicate with each other, sir.
Yeah, no, network is only one, that is Pavitra 14.
Network.
You do
Uh,
now you inspect your network docker network inspect Pavitra 14. You can see that two container, or sorry, three container lies on that same network. Again you do git, yeah, docker inspect, sorry, docker network inspect Pavitra 14 you have to give.
mm.
You can check here, wait, Pavitra 14 is there, name Pavitra 14 is there now.
Yes,
Then
sir.
Pavitra SQL is there.
Mm.
Then again one more container is there, infallible Breton is there, and competent Jamison is there also. Okay, four container is lies on the same network, and that is Pavitra 14. So they can communicate with each other. Okay, within the same, because they are in the same network. So we keep both container, our SQL one and that Pavitra 14 one, in the same network, so that our data will store in SQL one. Okay, and also we try to bond it through our volume, that is you created now volume 1.
Yes, sir.
You try to create it by we given their network Pavitra 14, there you have to give dash dash volume, and you have to give the volume name, that is volume 1, in both of the part, MySQL and that part also. Pavitra 14 one you have created na two container. Hello, getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you try it at home. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.